Morning student. Let's start our second chapter, linear equation in one variable. Okay, so all of us know what are constant and variable. If I am having a number like 5, okay, this is what? This is a constant because its value is fixed. While if I am having a variable like x, okay, or y, so all these are what? These are called variable. Why? Because their value is not fixed. Now come to the point, linear equation. So here in these given example or expressions, all these all these are linear equation while these two are not linear equation. Why is that? Because linear equation is an equation in which variable contains always a power 1. Okay. So whenever we are having an expression in which the variable contains a power 1, then it is called a linear equation. Here, this is a linear equation is in one variable. This is also a linear equation in one variable, but this is a linear equation in two variable because here we are having two variable, one is x, one is y. In this also we are having two variables x and y. In this we are having three variables. So these three are linear equation, but they are linear equation in 2, 2 and 3. Okay, this one is in two variable, this one is also in two variable, but this is in three variable. So students, this chapter is all about to solve the linear equation in one variable. Okay, so these are the linear expressions. Okay, so these are linear expression, but when you will be putting a equals to sign in front of them, they will become a linear equality. So an algebraic equation is an equality involving variable. So whenever you are talking about equation, there must be a equal to sign. Okay, so a equality must be there. So in a linear equation or an algebraic expression or an algebraic equation, you must be having the variable, the equality, and the whole thing is called equation. Okay, so here LHS must be equals to RHS. That is, left hand side must be equals to right hand side. Now in an equation the values of LHS and RHS are equal. This happens to be true only for the certain value of variables, and those are called solution of the equation. Means here if you will be seeing x in this equation, particular equation, if you will be putting the value of x as 5 in the left hand side, what you will be getting? 2 into 5 minus 3. Okay, so the LHS you will be solving 2 into 5 minus 3. 5 to the 10. 10 minus 3 will be giving you 7. The same value you are having in the right hand side. That means x is equals to 5 is a solution of the equation. So here how to find the solution of an equation? So we will be performing the mathematical operation to get the solution for the equation, for that linear equation in one variable. So here is solving equation which have linear expression. So let's see this example. Find the solution of 2x minus 3 equals to 7. So it is very conventional method. Okay, this method we will not be using, we will be directly doing it. So what he has done at first, he has added 3 both the sides, that is in the LHS as well as in the RHS. So as he has added the 3, this 3 and this 3 will cancel out because one is of minus, one is of plus. Okay, so 2x is equals to 7 plus 3, that is 10. Now this he'll be dividing both the side by 2. So in left hand side it will be divided by 2, and also in the right hand side it will be divided by 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. This 2 will cut this 10 5 times. Okay, 5 times. So what is the value of x? X will be equals to 5. So this is the first one question. Now second one example, solve 2y plus 9 is equals to 4. Here what we will be doing, at first we will be taking this 9 to the right hand side. since it is in positive in the left hand side. Okay, so when we will be transposing it to the right hand side, it will become of negative. Okay, so 4 minus 9 will give you minus 5. Okay, because minus 9 in terms of number you can say is bigger than 4. Minus 5 you will be getting. So here 2 is in the multiplication in the left hand side, so it will be going into the division in the right hand side. So you can see here, so y is equals to minus 5 upon 2 you will be getting as answer. So to check the answer whether it is correct or not, what you will be doing, you will be putting the value of y in the LHS. In the LHS, this is the LHS, you will be putting the value of y is equals to minus 5 upon 2. If you will be getting a 4 similar to as right hand side, then your solution is correct. So let's see here. LHS 2 into minus 5 upon 2. Instead of y you will be putting what? Minus 5 upon 2 plus 9. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled out. So what you will be getting? Minus 5 plus 9, and minus 5 plus 9 will give you a 4. And in the right hand side also you are having 4. That means this solution is correct.